Hi to everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to another video. It is time for another Tomos video and I am again in Koper at the secondary school of Koper. Here they have some very nice and rare examples of Tomos mopeds and motorcycles and some other Tomos stuff, and I would like to show this particular model to you, and this is the Tomos Electronic 175. It is not the Tomos Electronic 90 but 175. This is quite interesting. They say that there are just 4 of them, some say 6. I really don't know, but this is a proper motorcycle. We have to be aware of it because it has 2 cylinders, 2 carbs, 2 spark plugs, and a proper speedo and a tacho, as you can see it here. So the speedo, it's till 140 kilometers per hour, and the tacho, it's till 12,000 revs. So this is a proper motorcycle, and to me it looks very let's say interesting for the 80s, but it was produced in 1979, as we can see it here. Tomos Electronic 175 model prototype. It was a prototype touring from 1979. This is in the stock condition, original, as you can see it here. It has a 2-stroke engine, 175cc with 5 gears, and it is completely stock, as we can see, and I really like the design. Something that is very interesting for this motorcycle is that it uses a double engine, I mean 2 engines together of the Tomos Electronic 90cc. So here you can see 2 spark plugs. The engines are just one by the other, so connected, and with 2 big carbs. As you can see, here is the number of the carb, 21. So this one is going fast, I can say. In my opinion, 120, 125 is something that we can feel. I mean, we can reach this speed on this motorcycle. And this is one of the few Tomos motorcycles or mopeds, let's say, that has the disc brake, the front disc brake, and also the standard blinkers, huge blinkers, as you can see it here, and aluminum wheels, and a very nice exhaust. But the fact is that this one has 2 exhausts from each cylinder, one. So one here and one we can see here down. So a very let's say modern motorcycle from the end of the 70s from Tomos. And it had a kick start there. Here we can see it, the Kickstarter, and I am really happy that I can film it here, because it's such a rarity and a very good looking Tomos motorcycle. I don't really know how much is it worth today, but a lot. In my opinion, a lot, because you can just imagine it here around, I mean around Koper. I think that this is the only one, and it is here You can see it in person if you come to the secondary school of Koper. The seat, we can see, it is not a copy of any other Tomos models, at least I think so. This part, it's quite similar to some other Tomos mopeds, but here it is going a bit up, so I'm not sure really if they used seat from any other model from Tomos, but to me it looks very, very nice. The mirror it's missing here. As you can see, this one it's missing, and all other things are completely as they should be. The fuel tank, as we can see, looks, and it really is huge for being a 175 cc. Some of Tomos mopeds and motorcycles, I would say mostly motorcycles, had the tubular frame like the 15 SLC. It was a different type of, let's say, construction, and also such bikes, I mean motorcycles that had the tubular frame were a bit more advanced and were more serious motorcycles. This is all for now. This was the Electronic 175, a prototype. I hope that you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Till the next one.